Sounds like it's coming from somewhere underneath. Down. Bring it down. Alright, try one more thing. I'll say when to do it again. Try one last thing here. Alright. I can't hear from the tailpipe. Alright.